Rich, they could say, or no, as a sporting director, Nhyira is to build a very, very good squad for the coach. And your boss season, you know, or share goalkeepers are a wuyasi. Goalkeepers are muda La Liga, and I will back what Deco is saying with Squawka analysis via Omaye on goalkeepers in La Liga. Rich, in the Spanish La Liga, na ye boye na nsiye, you know. Squawka say, goalkeeper oye most saves was Abranti friend Juan Garcia, 145 saves. And oye, they could say, look, me, I don't have to meet player B say Marc-Andre ter Stegen. I don't have to meet Szczęsny. No. My job is to build a competitive and a good squad for the coach. And at the beginning of the season, you know, I'll be able to tell Hansi Flick say, oh, Hansi, your boss season here, you know, during the transfer market, I have added Juan Garcia to goalkeepers, no. Work with them. The obey number 1, the obey number 2, the obey number 3, the obey number 4, number 5, number 6, no. And yet on no sporting director Nejuma, and your coach is Nejuma. But on only the end say, so Otiachira, coach must not come to him to say, ye to sinuaha, ye to sinuaha. Need the end say he will build a very, very good squad. Coach in Nejuma. So according to Deco, Rich, I said, look, he has brought in Juan Garcia because of a good goalkeeper. Whether obey number 1, Marc-Andre ter Stegen be number 1, one be number 2, and only headache, and only your coaches, you know, or more headache to know someone who train dear no perform goalkeeper. Now why and based on the performance, I will training all day. They say young fan and tum, so he has settled that debate. Then he went on to talk about Ronald Araujo. Interview and Ibusan said. Say Barca more Paulo Kubasi, more Inigo Martinez, more Araujo, more Christensen, more Eric Garcia, even Jules Koundé is a centre back. I say Obo El right back Wamamu. Omu no so dodo, and mu maybe nko because mu hesika to balance mu books no so no crack. I want see maybe ko. But onu no otisa nkofo kawa abonten say Ronald Araujo never kwa. On Tiasie, because in the books of Barca, Ronald Araujo is a very, very important player to them. Now, I hear they say, Abia and conform follow Barca ye. Everybody say now, Bentia, you need to sign contract extension and chair. None did that one. They say, oh, no, mum, and I say, Bema center back, you remember Nako, no crack. Center back be free Barcelona, but Ronald Araujo. Deco said it categorically. Okay. So Bakubeko, but Ronald Araujo. And Opowe, Rich, the pictures of Araujo over the weekend, ne wedding with Abigail Oliveira, ne girlfriend, no, and free to go and wed. Because when you want to say, Barca team, no, or when it's one of the captains, Rich, only by any pra. And now Rastiness Kakra. Araujo is one of the best center backs. Oh, yes. And that's what he's saying. Say they know what the guy can offer Tima, your friend in Barcelona. Rich, the certain they say, and Opowe Mundo say, almost send your Barca team no internally reports in the corner. Say, I no question Barca beton center back, Andre Christensen, and a Barca Everton. So that is, and also so our side defense, you know. Then comes the topic of Nico. Rich, if you take Mundo front page now, they are making some very, very interesting analysis. And I think it's they are trying to make this analysis. Senior Mayor, Barcelona 40 years say, if they have to pay 58 million plus taxes as release clause for Nico, Rich, according to Mundo and today, Catalan and Comono Mudino almost say it is cheap. As somebody in say, almost say in recent transfer window, say offer wingers Omo prospect no any omo ye hot our transfer market no ese the Nico abe sisi na rich so no for 58 million ne boy for pa because in Kenya the release clause na Nico by this time you have about 100 echo and they are saying say you can bring in Obi said Neymar, Hazard, Mbappe, Dembele. They are in a class of Nico in terms of say Obi are hot our transfer market so but a salary these players or negotiations no say untia 58 million then Nico is coming very very cheap but rich beyond that me say na if you didn't come about Bayern interest in Nico and no crack didn't Bayern and give up on Nico and say they know say Barcelona even among officials but say the president and the deco Mwaka say they will try and find means to talk to team and friend Bilbao if Sikane also mutia as release clause for Nico no or metinya mo payment plan no come try in installment now rich only the entire Bilbao for the AD you know omo ye deal because player now open no omo in the contract there is a release clause so I am passing on the player na kasa no so baba come and trigger the release clause you don't even have to speak to us because here the na na beka abrant anyone and I want that I want the contract him now rich Bayern for say the fact that Barcelona help plan to pay Sike also mutual once in installments nature say Barcelona will struggle even though Nico so obo Ediama Barcelona now rich answer na Nico as so many agent Felix Tienta amamako Barcelona no now they've already agreed personal terms with Bayern. What Nico did was that or catch the agent they say Koneni Barcelona for Nico nkomo na me nhwe baby omugina on me and Sarah say make take decision say yabeko Bayern na yako say if there's a feature with Omwa then I will prefer Omu number 1 but and just say Nico I so onko Bayern da it is only when Barcelona for alpha now and now some move no and now about number 1 now rich I'm a power Bayern Omu CEO Max Ebel we free Miami have back Obaye no according to Build or say he's coming to study this week what Barca will do with Nico and whether they have chance or not. Then Christian Falk here you mama Build. Rich, yes so you no power or say oh Bayern phone him the situation with Nico and Barcelona. And they have already started other options in case Nico finally Monche na oko Barcelona. Number 1, Rich, and this transfer chess na emissary. Only Bayern for alternative to Nico. Number 1, Luis Diaz. Luis Diaz no or Barcelona number 1 na and Nico move amana be number 2 no. Ono enso na Bayern for number 1 alternative if they don't get Abrantia your friend Nico Williams. Number 2 unim ni pako Cody Gapo. Monsieur se Nico ama na se corner Luis Diaz na we will turn attention to Cody Gapo. Rich, number 3 will amaze you. Gabriel Martinelli.
From Arsenal.
Yes. And these are the 3 players Bayern for so according to Build, unless they say Nico finally echo Barcelona. Now you see a switching gear. We will go to those players. Now you compare almost. Now Rich, you see. So Barcelona say Mboko Bebao ako negotiate. Say release clause no omun installment on bebre. I am telling you, on bebre pa. And say ubesa oti say the on bebre. I think say the after kosuo back to Chrome should tell you what to expect. So move so okodi nkoma. Rich, look. Say ye more or war ho. Ukoni masisia. There is this thing for Kudusu. Big war. Like I said, this territory belongs to this player. Now, Bilbao for the Rich, there is no example in Ghana anymore. Because they say Kumasi crowd Kotoko crowd, you don't feel it like that. But Rich, Udu Basi Kronimwa, Bilbao is their religion. That is the reason why everybody say that and can name modern football. Which say free Congo team no. It's a religion almost some. Now look, this was the original picture. Say unim ike muniaina. And how he's worship our backs to Cromwell. Rich, say you do picture to Ike Munyain one. Then it means that we cherish you, pa. They put Nico brothers, picture our Ike Munyain. Rich, then you can that's sorry, ya paper Nico Diano. And our mature spider, so don't watch all. Say Utino, say Uko, you've lost our respect. Yem boobium. Sauber ko, sauber no, yembu bium. Now, I never see Nico, Nhyira penny inaki. Then he went on Twitter to say, I told the beer, and that is the summary of the actual in Spanish. No, or say, I told the beer, and go for sebi, omu ntimi yi omanim. They hide behind anonymity because we don't know who wrote this. You didn't know paper, you saw any paper. And in that keepers or say, Omo time wadiano. Ayana de Biano, Omo Manim say, Minam yes, way. And for him, what has been done to Nico, we see a paper and sign a memorial from Ononiano. And you're very, very disrespectful. And the issue of Asante Abebua, your friend Asante and Kaini. So rich. These are what are happening when it comes to transfers. Maybe or transfers, I love Lequip front page, Pogba Monaco Banco. Rich, that's why I agree 2 years. Until Pogba is coming back. I see negotiations, were better. But finally, Monaco for they will give him the platform. Now Pogba. Who read the quick story now? Almost say Pogba say he wants to join the French national team to 2026 World Cup.
Wow.
That is Neniso Adim no dear Sineniso. And he is coming to play Monaco. Send a beya, Obenya Didier the champ attention. Now our friend said, the coming squad, Medical World Cup no rich. Pogba is one player. Say Obobo we are. Ye discussing a career now. Adia Bakwa ye fair few say Adibama in Chinima will be his mentality. If he is able to do this too, perform on the pitch amidst all this bandits and make it to the World Cup reach, we will add that to Pogba ending the story as a player. But the good news for Pogba lovers, and they say, Pogba agree 2-year contract with AS Monaco reach over now or more. Just 1 minute. Now you're wrapping up on the FIFA Club World Cup. Now you're because Masaudi Didi Dramani about we share supporters. We want to know from the supporters. They say, so much trophy at the end of Masaudi Didi Dramani. Are successful? Rich. You have 4 clubs already. Omoko on 16. Which is also better like 2 series. I'm not going to Flamingo.
Chelsea Amanu. Yes, it's only a Flamingo. Go for never. Chelsea strong road.
Flamingo, Bayern, Man City, Juve. 4 clubs already can qualify to the round of 16. I don't know. Now, minimum say, shut down follow FIFA Club World Cup now. Top scorers in the CNTO. Jamal Musiala, Kenan Yildiz, Angel Di Maria, our 3 goals. Omo leading the top scorers. What happened over the weekend? Rich, Juventus look like some new club B. This FIFA Club World Cup. Meaning say opponent also about now about with that. You are expected to win, but Rich, they are winning big. Last time almost 4. Now I know supposed to say 4-1 against Wedad. And I think say it's very, very positive. Coach, there were a lot of pressure on him, but when you're the first win. Now, minimum so because say, oh, Ayala Monso, Pachu, Caso, Shaw, and can say that you be doing who be a Yaman conform match game and say Real Madrid started scoring their goals after going down by a man.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. No, and yet, nobody red card.
Okay.
I bet your friend Asensio could do red card for Real Madrid. It's a game number 8. But they tried to stabilize it and then started say almost. The 30 second goals you saw, Real Madrid added 10 against 11. And they share particular for no 3 goals to 1 no. So you must appreciate it. Now the good news for Real Madrid and they say Rich in other game no. Which was Salzburg and Ayala Obia and Shebi. And Real Madrid 3 points now no. Etimi Abwa or Papa Ewo Ehonum in Group G. Say the Nika Juventus are qualify, City are qualify, and any problem and Juve Abranti Fennekin here this Rich. I mean they say Gabi, I remind you and say, Enka eka clear me and call you for Juve. Thiago Motta time. And one of the issues with here, Juventus paying for Thiago Motta was that they thought say their new their Piero is underutilized and I will refer to Thiago Motta, Rich Osifam, and he was just splendid to watch for Team IFN Juve. Look, Man City Ashen and Yamwa, but Rich. This guy, Claudio Echeverri, Rich, how many players? And now you're about to Argentina, small boy. Now, over team a friend Manchester City, Rich. Now, free kick, Babada to her. Ike Gundiga or Park in the so. Bernardo Silva or Park in the so. Dear Ellen Haaland or Park in the so. A lot of experienced players. Now, Omakacha said, whoa, boy, I got to have a front. Over free kick,
No bones, I say.
Yes, it means that they know they've seen something in you, and I've been telling a share. City won, and it was very, very good. Indeed, Richard, some behind said that anywhere, and then who I knew say in Group B, you may determine why and a top group, no, why more and a coffee and how much so no. We will determine one of the other groups, no, so also there are games, Manchester, Atletico Madrid, any. Botafogo, Ebebo, and then you read this game. You must be very, very careful. So we are going to say Overco bet. And was our game no one. I know I'm very, very careful. After so disappointing loss now, Paris Saint-Germain, and Seattle for move. On make sure we bear a form. And the Atiomo, and according to l'Equipe, this is the lineup of Omu Edu a front three of the Seydoué, Caraskeria, and a Bacola, then in 50 on the same, the same, sending in Paris Saint-Germain. Inter Miami is also in the Moas over them go craft for experience, and then you know, Omoni Palmeiras, Ebeba Homachi, now FC Porto, any Elali, and so at the association to them. With the G-code way, they go Chadibi. Na also so efa show how far na yentimi and starting referee na yemedi enkomo no and a 3-2 course ma me fa mam fast na yentimi enko yenim e ho first one no 2036 8A1E 2036 8A1E. Second one, 2036 8E13 2036 8E13. Then the last one, 2036 9B81. So these are the 3 bet courses and Monday motivation or finance. Oh, they are show how far ewo no more.
Okay. Encouragement here so with our next segment, GPL transfers. Sokoban Fatilu Atenase. Said they brought from motor players, coaches near the no. And so I season the anti clubs and so your business. Be to coaches, be to players, need no or the inch 104.5. Sokoban Fatilu.
Richardo.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What to say?
Namiadum, what am I now swear?
Namiadum.
Fantastic.
Maybe fine.
On say last week Wednesday, me catch you say maybe no go stars.
Yeah.
Omoni former Bofo defender. Emmanuel Ankra Edin Komo. Omoni na wie. I me confirm them how officially. Nano me menda officially. Maybe no go stars. Edaba Bontene say Abrante from Emmanuel Ankra we defender. Former Bofo former in such a mind. Omuni na wie so yo mu player African Okobi na baby answer to my kama da momo na ba se call stars
maybe before I be moving so can some be top 8
ntese no
me very specific I'm going to 8 players
say na 4 foreign player and them ball man and some
enyanya
mo ye na yi
enti sesi ano ma confirm advantage we die no it means I cast 7 including foreign player na wo kana
and I said kojo from Bechim.
Okay eno so done
and abrante fe no Emmanuel J
okay
abanga Pasecoli Stars almost pista pan no ball no fen communica de oye brutal
okay
omuni na de nkoma na du akire to what say mani me ya bebe no go Stars and abrante we men shada man nya wonwa ha Emmanuel J abanga and bebe no go Stars enkomodi no edu akire ye pa na Richardo mami move on na me for mani chimo fantabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko onu se be players bi din Zakaria Fuseni Prince Akwamo go keeper Dauri mo ya bo omudin kire o na Nation FC right back o so Kotoko say right back no akwakwe ayinko a Lodamo akwa na akwakwe no na omawro Nations and Victor Oduro edin komo o Nations FC player o former player Edmund Dream FC ti coach Efan Karim Zito ma brand ne pa omuna dunkumo nanu Saturday ya na branch ko ne medicals tun so official kotoko da ba bonten so omuna branch ne wi a mema no enya wonwa sanso Nations wono ma omo midfielder abrante fun Sadiq Alasan kotoko eni da branch ne chiye pa so omunyo no so signature eno so ebetimi abo omo na abrante fun Maxwell Ajimarakito wow player defender former defender de Kumasi Asante Kotoko who's our player no asa me kaza we are you and
oh so me too
champion Akito see no one Carlo United contract na benewi we free agent na 11 wonders Tachiman and Chelsea economy qualify omuna bench ni din komo sanso na Medium Sporting Club also major players in me kwan omuna bench ni din komo experience in there Ghana Premier League no will be pa and afi Adriana Stars and so need the branch from Max Rajman or money edinachi.
And Akito
hot bar. Vision FC. Vision FC. Amabawra Lagos City as well. Moko relegation.
I say some Lagos City now.
That's a relegation.
What is on place now?
Last year so Olympics go for.
That's what Moko